If your septic tank float switch is malfunctioning, it can mess up your whole system and cause some serious headaches. So, first off, if you notice your septic tank pump running all the time or not running at all, that float switch might be the culprit. To check it, you want to locate the float inside the tank, which usually looks like a little plastic ball or cylinder on a wire or rod. Give it a gentle lift and see if the pump kicks on or off as it should. If it doesn't respond, there's probably something wrong with the switch. Sometimes the float gets stuck on sludge or debris, so cleaning around it can fix the issue without needing a new part. If it still doesn't work after cleaning, you'll need to replace the float switch, which you can buy online or at a hardware store. Just make sure to get one that fits your specific septic system model. When replacing it, turn off power to the pump for safety, unplug the old switch, and hook up the new one exactly how the previous one was connected. Test everything by lifting the new float to make sure the pump reacts properly before closing up your tank. Regularly checking and cleaning your float switch every few months can save you from unexpected septic system failures down the line. One of the biggest mistakes with septic tank float switches is ignoring early warning signs like constant pump running or no pump activity. This often leads to pump burnout and expensive repairs. Fix this by testing the switch regularly. Another common issue is not cleaning the float switch, causing it to get stuck in sludge or debris, which stops it from working right. Simply cleaning it can often solve the problem. Lastly, using the wrong replacement float switch or installing it incorrectly can cause system failure. Always match your part to your system model and follow installation instructions carefully or hire a pro if you're unsure. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with septic systems and more. It also helps contractors connect with folks looking for reliable help, making projects smoother for everyone involved.